Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming into the conventional treatment part. So we have already discussed that primary dysmenorrhea is not something to be worried of, but you do experience nausea, dizziness, vomiting, breast tenderness, mood swings and severe pain even in primary dysmenorrhea, even if there is no any pathological entity attached to it. So what do? Usually, especially here, we take Menstrual spas or we take some medicine so that there will be decrease in pain index. If you're taking any Menstrual spas or painkillers, there is they will suppress the pain, but there is no addressing to the cause where there is a prostaglandin mechanism is going wrong, that is increase in prostaglandin mechanism, which is obviously causing the pain. And also they have their side effects attached to it, that is, if you are taking painkiller for a longer period of time, that is using painkiller for longer period of time. Recently also we have seen news on Menstrual spas where it is causing certain section of people certain symptoms which are not to be caused in healthy individuals. So every painkiller will have certain effect, and also by taking painkillers your gut bacteria can change. You can have gastritis, you can have associated side effects attached to it. So if you are taking conventional form of treatment, that is allopathic form of treatment, even for primary dysmenorrhea, and this primary dysmenorrhea, this pain, even if you are taking a painkiller, you have to take this painkiller every menstrual period. That is, every time you're experiencing menstruation, you have to take this tablet. But if you're choosing homeopathy, the case will turn out differently. How it will turn out, we'll discuss in the homeopathic part. But remember, you will have side effects, and also there is no decrease in the pain scale unless and until you're taking this medication. And also you will be experiencing pain in every period. These are the problems associated with allopathic form of treatment. They can give you NSAIDs if you are suffering from secondary dysmenorrhea. They can give you hormonal contraceptives. They can give you other medications like gonadotropin releasing hormones elsewhere, like especially this gonadotropin release hormones are useful for endometriosis type of pain. So these medicines are a mixture of primary dysmenorrhea medicines and secondary dysmenorrhea medicines. Okay, so if you're taking these medicines for primary dysmenorrhea, I've already told you the side effects. For if you're taking it for secondary dysmenorrhea, remember, allopathy does not offer a best shot at hormonal disruption or a best shot at fibroids or a best shot at adenomyosis, PCOD or ovarian cysts like homeopathy. All their medicines which are hormonal in nature will have side effects, and also if you stop taking this hormonal tablets, you will have recurrence in the symptoms and the symptoms can get worse. So these are the effects of conventional form of treatments. Next, coming into the homeopathic form of treatment. Should I be taking homeopathy for my primary dysmenorrhea? Let us first discuss primary dysmenorrhea. Yes, there are beautiful medicines which will decrease the pain in the uterine contractions, or there will be decrease in pain as such if you take homeopathic medications. And if you are taking proper constitutional medicine, the pain scale, if it is 5, it will go to 4 in the next 2 periods, and it will go to 3, 2, 1. After certain period of time, there will be no pain associated with your menstruation, which does not happen in allopathic form of treatment. So in homeopathy, you will experience this kind of beneficiary effects. That is, there is decrease in pain, there is decrease in recurrence of this high scale pain, and also there will be no side effects, which is very, very important. And then coming to the secondary dysmenorrhea part. If you are experiencing secondary dysmenorrhea or pain due to any female reproductive problem, as I already told you, allopathy does not have a good shot at it because it has hormonal medication. Hormonal medication, if you're taking it, it is fine, but it has side effects to it. That is, it can cause a lot of weight gain, or it can cause weight loss, it can cause skin changes, it can cause hair fall, it can cause acne in some people. And also, if you stop taking this, there will be intermenstrual bleeding, that is bleeding in between your periods as well. And also it will not cure the case. But in homeopathy, we have medicines, we have good number of cases with very high success rate where the fibroids are coming down, going, the tumor is decreasing, the PCODs are decreasing without any side effects. The endometrial symptoms are much better after using homeopathy. So try to use homeopathy, which is much safer, much effective, which does not have side effects, and also it will cure your problem. It will prevent further recurrences, and also it will relieve your current symptoms. If you're someone who is experiencing pain during every menstruation and you want to decrease it, that is primary dysmenorrhea. And if you're someone who is experiencing pain along with other abnormalities in your flow, that is secondary dysmenorrhea, and you would like to get in contact with us, we have two kinds of consultation options. One is the online consultation, the second one is the offline consultation. If you're someone who's staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person. If you're someone who is staying far away from us, you can contact us online. We have two options, that is audio consultation as well as video consultation. After the audio and video consultation, if we think you are suffering from secondary dysmenorrhea, we will ask you for investigations, or if you have already done investigations, you can send it to us. And after the doctor consultation and after the whole process is done, your medicines will be delivered to your doorstep. That is, home delivery option is available, where if you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. And if you're staying anywhere else, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicine to reach your doorstep. If you want to consult us, you can call us on this number. You can WhatsApp us, you can message us, or you can call us. If you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. So if you're someone who is experiencing painful menstruation and you do not know what kind of painful menstruation it is, that is primary or secondary, or if you're someone who is experiencing pain in every menstruation and you would like to get rid of the pain to have a better work-life balance, or if you're someone who is experiencing pain along with the abnormalities, that is female reproductive problems, you can contact us. And also, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we have three principles. One is the highest success rate. See, we are already experiencing a rush of patients who are approaching us for different female reproductive problems, and the success rate is really high. It is good. And also, there is transparency in treatment. That is, that there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Any sort of prognosis that you should be knowing, we will be letting you know. And also the personal care here at Fidicus. If you have any sort of myths, or if you have any sort of queries regarding your own problem, we will be educating you. And not only that, we will educate you in all aspects of your problem. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose a better life, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.